Pero parang okay na siya, Idol. Diretso ba yung boses ko, Idol?
Diretso naman.
Okay na siya. Okay na siya. Okay, Miss Chacha. Salamat po sa inyong lahat, ha. Marami, Miss mo nakatambay dyan, guys. Thank you so much sa inyo, ha. Siguro mga ilang song. And Sir Rico, maraming salamat, Sir Rico, ha. Ayan, and saglit, Idol, ha. If I ever fall in love now, saglit. If I ever fall in love.
Hindi na.
Ayan. Sir Rico. Miss Malu, Gia, thank you so much sa inyo, guys. Ayan, kantahin natin para kay Sir Rico. Sana okay na yung boses ko dyan, Idol. Natuloy-tuloy ba yung boses ko dyan, Idol? Walang ano.
Diretso naman, wala namang loading.
Diretso na siya. I know you're everything that I've been looking for. And I look into your eyes and could not ask for. So it's only fair to lay it on the line. Hold on, I'm gonna need a little time. But if I ever fall in love again, and sometimes when this broken heart can end, I know it's gonna be with you. You're the one to pull me through, so I don't know when. If I ever fall in love again, para sa inyo, Idol Rico, we're wrong. And it's scared. I guess I'm scared to fly. It's such a long way down. And yet, if you trust in me, I'm sure I'd come around. And I know when your heart, it's hard to let someone inside. In your arms, I feel I'm ready now to try. Oh, if I ever fall in love again. And sometimes when this broken heart can mend, I know it's gonna be with you. You're the one to pull me through, so I don't know when. If I ever fall in love again, I'd be a fool to let you go. You're the best thing in my life. When I know I'm gonna take it slow. Oh yes, thank you so much guys. Maraming salamat po. I hope na yung boses ko dyan is dire-diretso ng Idol. Rico, or putol-putol. I know it's gonna be with you. You're the one to pull. If I ever fall in love again.
Ayan, magaling.
Dire-diretso ba yung kata ko?
Ako naman.
Okay. Alas 10 na Sir Efren. Sige, ano lang Sir Efren?
Ilang song na lang tayo? Isang song na lang?
Last song.
Sige. Isang song na lang.
Thank you so much guys. Blah po. Hanggang 10 past 10 na pala. Nakalimutan ko na.
Hanggang 10 lang. Sige.
Much malaki, much juicier, much crispier, much sulit talaga. Mag-Saver Sulit Busog Meals. Dok, lapit ako. Ang bawat biyahe ko, Dok, para makapagkape si Maki.
Papa, may damit pa.
Or katulog mo ang Centrum Advance. May mas maraming nutrients, complete